No, she didn't cry. She didn't even notice. Oh, we have to keep talking or else she won't do it. It's just like she just stops.
Now she's getting the attention.
Oh, yeah. Well, what's going on?
Blah, 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 blah.
Is this your language? Is this your own alien language?
That's like your Charlie Brown language.
That's how she thinks we sound.
I'm talking very clearly here.
It's like she don't hurt yourself, kid.
Oh, she gets that last little bit of breath out of her.
Did you get it? Did you say what you needed to say?
You feel better?
Do you feel like you got it off your chest? I can't even see if I can get in her. I hope you feel better.